This video shows how to replace the rear drive fan on a PowerEdge R750. Before you begin, power off the system and disconnect all the attached peripherals. Ensure that you always use ESD protection when working inside the system. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com/PowerEdge manuals. To begin, first remove the system cover. To do this, first rotate the lock on top of the system cover to the unlocked position. Lift the latch to disengage the cover from the system. Then lift the system cover off. For the rear drive fan, first remove the rear air shroud. Hold the touch points to lift the air shroud out of the rear drive module. Holding the orange touch points, lift the fan out of the rear drive module. To replace the fan in the rear drive module, lower the fan into place until it is firmly seated. Replace the rear air shroud. Finally, replace the system cover by placing the cover into its position on the system. Lower the latch to engage the cover onto the system. Then, rotate the lock on the top of the system cover to the locked position. You have replaced the rear drive fan on a PowerEdge R750. If you need more information or assistance, go to dell.com/PowerEdge manuals.